G,
Well,
right?
yeah, because
Right. So did we do A or D or?
okay, do that.
Right. So it feels different in A, doesn't it?
Mhm.
Why did I pick A? Do you have any idea?
I do.
Okay. Right. So even though this is not in A major, it is in the relative minor, right? But I think still those patterns are somewhat similar to what you've, right, what you're gonna, and we have a lot of moving in and out here, right? All right, so really being comfortable inside those, between those black keys,
Okay.
okay?
I haven't really done both hands yet.
Okay, but keep doing the left hand.
Okay. Or I remember you saying that. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Right, so is this, right? Which is what chord?
C. Not sure.
Yeah, but what did you play down the bottom? F,
Sure.
so F sharp, right?
Okay.
Minor, right?
Oh, yes.
Right, F sharp minor.
Yes.
Time. What's the dominant of F sharp?
Of F sharp. C sharp.
C sharp. So can you play a C sharp chord and it's going to have it, right, it's going to be major, exactly, right. That's right. Right. What's unusual is that the F sharp is on the bottom. And it's on the bottom. And it continues to be on the bottom, whether you play the tonic or the dominant. Or that one either. Finally goes to C sharp. Right. So it kind of carries that F sharp all the way through there. Let's do that left hand again at the beginning. So thinking about F sharp on the bottom. The F sharp chord. F sharp minor. Be careful when you get to that chord. Look at what's
Wait, are all of them?
that's what the tricky thing is, that they all start with these F sharps. But when you get here, right? And now it kind of goes away from that. Keep your Alright, so let's do this one more time. Get your right hand up there, ready to go. see, so you made the switch it right, so you have the A, but what chord is this still? Right.
Sure.
It's still the F sharp, so it has F sharp here in the root position here, but here it has the A. So it's kind of like a first inversion thing going on.
Right.
And
Okay.
then it has a really big C sharp. So here's a definitely dominant moment. Right. Almost the exact same thing, right? Just a little bit of change there at the end. So why don't you go ahead and play the melody right here.
Okay.
And I shouldn't be playing the same piano with you. I told myself I wasn't going to do that. Okay, I'll play it over here. Okay. Look at that again. Look at that again. To play without the left hand. That's a little surprising. Yes. Right. So it ends there on the what chord?
Huh?
What
Wait.
chord?
C sharp.
Right, the dominant. Right. But so let's go back. Let's go back a step. So we played the A major, but let's go back and play the F sharp minor. Right, that's correct. It's just this is kind of like the A flat chord that uses that's it. Right, so we're not raising the E sharp in this case. We're just playing the natural minor. Now you did use the E sharp on in the measure before. Yeah.
Yes.
You see that big fat E sharp?
Which?
Look on the
measure?
third line. In the right hand in the third line. Where's that E sharp?
Wait.
E.
What do you mean third line here?
Yeah, yeah.
So,
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm. E sharp there, right. And what happened?
Or-
Right, and you identified that correctly when you played it here. You said, oh, that's a C sharp major chord, isn't it?
Yes.
So see what happens then if we play the sorry, I'm going to start your piano. If we play that natural minor, which is what we just had. Didn't we just finish? Right?
Yeah.
Right. Right. So what happens if you play the dominant instead of with the E sharp, but you play with the E natural? It makes it minor,
Yes.
which is much less.
Moving.
Well, it seems like the major dominant is more assertive, right? It kind of claims its property, and this one is kind of like it's not as, yeah.
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 It's still really, I think, a delicate tone though.
It is, yes. I think delicate is maybe the opposite of assertive.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do that right here one more time. From pick up to measure 7. So we're going to do that section one more time.
Okay. Alright.
think that was a good word for it.
Okay.
But it's less saying, like, this is hard to ignore. That was a little shyer. Okay? All right,
Okay.
so I like, yeah.
Yeah.
I like to try the, let's go back to measure 8. 6. Let's do 6 through 11, 12, 13. Okay? That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Sorry, I keep. Okay. Sorry, one more time.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, tie, but then tie that over so you. That C sharp is tied, right?
Okay. Yeah.
You can mark that.
Okay. Tell me one more.
Okay. Tell her right alcohol and keys. Is she pretty fanatical about it?
Alcohol.
I don't know how you spell alcohol to key, but I did. I wiped them down with alcohol.
So.
Yes, take it from there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6. 1, 2, in 6/8,
Okay.
just to kind of, I think you would feel, you might just be a little bit more on top of that rhythm with that. Do you have book 4 over there?
I don't.
Yeah, I'm looking for my book 4 as well. So book 4. The rondo at the beginning, the little yeah. It's just you'll remember it. Oh, sorry, that was I was on the Beethoven. That's it. You remember this one, right?
Yeah.
Sorry. 6, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. And this has an upbeat, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The name of the book, a piece is the Gondola song, right? So it's a boat song,
Okay.
but the rocking of the boat.
Okay.
Dee, bum, bum, bum. Let's do that again.
Was it right or wrong? I thought
You are a little early coming in on the 2, 3, 4, 5 6.
so.
Yes.
On the fourth. So okay.
Let's do, sure. The beginning of measure 7, 8, 9.
Okay. Wait. So oh yeah, counting wrong.
There,
Okay.
ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's F sharp. You're thinking about
Oh.
5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's going to be, you know, mhm.
Oh.
This
okay.
is, you just,
This part confused me, but.
right, it just means you're going to hold that through there, right?
Okay.
Okay. Let's try this much. Actually, let's start right on measure 7 with your left hand and your pedal at the same time. Just your left hand, just left hand pedal. 2. Now, what happens here? Suddenly, when you get right here, it's harder to feel the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suddenly, it sounds like you're doing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I mean, it's like you're counting 1 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and it's like it's off the beat. Do you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's
so,
it's the groupings. The groupings sound more like 2s instead of 3s.
That's.
That's it. You hear what I'm saying about how
Yeah.
the swing sort of feels different right there?
Yeah.
I think you have to go out of your way to make sure that you feel the strong beat on the 4 and the 1 there. Because the way the notes are put on the page, It's almost like it goes one and deep, beep,
Yeah.
maybe, another boat came by, and, rock the boat, so to speak. That's the idea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. There you go. Yes, ma'am. Very nice, Shannon. So the other thing is, because we are changing these fingerings around, I have tried playing it this way before. Those fingerings, which I find very uncomfortable. Okay. Yeah, right there from measure 7. So we're regrouping it fingering wise into groups of 2, because we have these 2 together, these 2 together. But we don't want to make it sound like it's 1 and 2 and 3 and. We want to feel the swing. 1, 2, 3. Speaking in horse terms, it's more like I think you need to go up higher. One more time. That was better. That you have with your thumb is playing on top, they don't get too loud. You're kind of rotating to your thumb, which is a good idea, but just don't let your thumb be too heavy there. There one's a good one. Okay? Yeah. So then if we can put that into play at measure 7. 1, 2. Just feel a little bit more of the swing thing going, rocking thing. Yes, ma'am. The swing thing happening.
Yeah.
I think you've been over this enough times. Can you try putting it together just a little bit right now?
I guess, yeah.
Why don't you start right at 6? Maybe just pick up into 7. Just a right hand. And come in here with your left hand. Yeah.
Okay, so just like.
the next page, do you see anything that looks like, you know, might be something you wanna pay attention to? Something that might be a little out of the ordinary?
Yeah, a lot of parts. Definitely at the rhythms on 44.
At 44?
Around the trills.
Sure.
Of course.